I'm going to show you how you can easily add a GIF to a Reddit profile picture. First, open the Reddit app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged in to your account. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will direct you to your profile page. Now, tap on Profile to view your profile details and settings. After that, tap on Edit located below your profile picture. This will allow you to modify your profile settings. Next, tap on the plus icon on your profile picture to change your avatar. Now, tap on Pick Image to access your device's photo library. Before selecting the GIF, make sure the GIF is downloaded and saved on your device. Then, select the GIF from your gallery that you want to use as your profile picture. Finally, tap on Save in the top right corner to update your profile picture with the new GIF. Now, your GIF profile picture is set on Reddit.